guys, OPLG here. Today we are playing Monkey's Place. Also, welcome to the new series of playing Ripoff games of Gorilla Tag. This is Banana Cat right here, and he will be our co-host today. And we will be exploring all the maps and just play around. So this is shop.
Hold on, let me remove my camera.
Arcade.
Because, I use an actual camera. And we have automatic long arms in this game, I think.
Oh my god! Bro, this is epic.
Long arms. Wait, where are you?
I went to the arcade.
Cosmetics? The arcade? Where's that? Yeah, sorry, I haven't played this game for a little while, so...
I think I'm stuck. Am I stuck? Oh, yes.
Time to break your eardrums!
Bro, is there a monkey here like there is in Gorilla Tag? No.
I don't know.
Okay, let's explore the other maps.
Yeah, I don't know where you're at, so...
I'm at computer.
Oh. Don't tell me we're going to horror next. I hate that area.
We're probably not doing horror. I don't think we're gonna do horror.
Okay, thank you.
I prefer not doing
As you
horror.
guys can see, I have a camera right now, and
Who's over
I don't really know how I feel about it. And it's cool.
Whoa, this is like the forest map.
Get it to stop watching.
This
Oh,
is
I know where you're at then. That's the speed boost map.
No.
Like, the Gorilla Tag map.
Yeah, the Gorilla Tag map.
I'm in here also.
Bruh, I can't even elevator, it's so wide.
I'm going to be showing my viewers how to get like every item to get the Explorer badge like I have.
Bruh, is that a slide? Okay, let's check out the other maps. Ice?
Yeah. Until you know what?
Who's...
Yeah, let's go to ice map.
What's this? Oh, this is like a...
Okay, yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna go to shop real quick for a second. I will be back.
Okay,
though.
Banana Cat.
I'm gonna go like turn off my camera and then I'm gonna go third
Oh
person.
my god, what is that?
Yeah, so we are basically going to be going at different time. Power is where you go to get
Oh my god.
third person.
And like a flower pot.
And
Whoa.
then, now we are on third person. So you guys can
Whoa.
see me. Like all my movements. I'm coming! Are you in ice?
Yeah, I'm in ice. Ah!
Okay, I'm coming.
I went down the top slide.
Kind of look out of the map a bit.
What's this? Is this like the...
Coming in ice right now.
Whoa! Yeah!
I'm on third person, so I can see where I'm going right now.
So, like, I went out to the top slide. You want to go on it together?
Sure.
You have to, like, you have to, like, wall jump up here. Coming? What is that? Is it
Yep. I'm in third person, so.
Okay. Coming?
It takes me a bit. Yeah, I'm coming. I need to get on top of the slide.
Okay.
All the stuff that you can. Unless I go out of third person, wait. Better idea, huh?
I slipped off.
I'm on top of the roof right now.
Yes.
I think I'm already on.
I know.
Oh, I see you.
Are you coming?
Key. Collect the keys. Yeah, I'm coming. Crap.
You have to, like, wall jump.
I can't wall jump.
Ooh.
Never mind, I did it. This is where you get the hot cocoa.
I never knew that.
I already have that.
Okay, so let's go on the slide again. I'm gonna go on the slide.
Going on this slide.
The big slide.
Watch
the top
first.
slide. Going on the top slide.
I'm already kind of down one of those slides. but it's not letting me out. Yeah,
Okay, I'm just gonna go down.
Oh, never mind, I'm out. Where's the big slide?
You know the flower slide?
Big slide.
You know the flower slide?
No,
That's the slide I'm on.
no, I don't know which slide you're talking about. Is it the one that's on the roof?
The roof one is the top slide, which leads you into this
Okay.
flower. Let's go!
Going down. I'm using third person, which is honestly pretty cool. I think we should go check out the mining map next.
The
Like
mining
where we
map?
can mine some bananas.
Wait, you can... You just slowed me down. Did I give you a boost?
Whee!
Okay,
No.
we're back here. Buddy,
I am a
Clouds!
gorilla.
we're going up here.
Why does this? Yeah, this reminds me of clouds, honestly.
Doesn't it?
Oh,
Ooh.
wait, hold on. I'll show them how to get the icicle. You can show them how to get the bullfrog and, like, the stuff inside of,
Ooh.
the gorilla tag map.
Ice cube?
So you guys are gonna be going on this side of ice. All you're
Can I
gonna
even
do
get
is you're
out?
gonna run over here. You're going to see
I can't.
this little hole right here.
Going to the
And
maps.
you go down the hole, and then you found the ice cube.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Wait,
I'm gonna check out the
coming.
other maps. That is
I'm
disgusting.
coming,
I
wait
am
up.
not. Okay, let's go into the.
where do you get the?
Do you want to play mini games? Do you want to play mini games?
No, please no.
Why is there
For the
nothing
love
here?
of God. Where's the mining place? Like, where do I go to get to the mining place?
What's this? The mining place?
Yeah, the place where you mine bananas.
No clue. Wind push area? Hypermap. So this-
Hypermap?
Oh my god. What?
Are you flying?
I'm going nuts.
Yeah, third person is lagging me out. I'm going out in third person.
It's a ball pit? Yes.
Bro, I can't see nothing.
Bruh. What?
Oh, this is the map where you get the bullfrog. Okay.
Oh, wait, that's.
So as you guys can see, we have a speed boost. And this is where you get the tree bullfrog.
Yes. Oh, is this a zip line? No.
Okay, yeah, so I'm not going to show you guys how to get the bullfrog. You guys are going to have to find out for yourselves. I don't feel like giving too many things away. Get the music in here. I love
It's
the
epic.
music. Hold on.
Wait.
Thank you, Dark Boy, for the music.
Oh my god. The wind push area.
Wind push? Well, that's a cool one. That's cool. This one's cool.
This is.
Welcome.
Da.
This is the tutorial for the wind push area.
Wind
To
push
fly up,
area.
you need to stretch out both arms.
I'm
To fly
stretched-
down,
I'm
put the
both
arms in
way.
again. You can also fly
Stretch your
in different
arms out.
directions by holding the A or X button on your controller. That's all you need to know. Have fun.
I have no
Welcome.
clue.
This is the tutorial.
It's just wind push area. I'm not.
The music in here is so calming. So whoever made the music,
I know, but it's not pushing me up for a reason. You guys try it yourself.
oh crap!
Out both arms. To fly down,
I
put the
dropped my
arms in
controller.
again. You can also.
Oh my god. Well,
Yeah, it messed up my
explained-
boundary. Yeah, so we're gonna just exit this map because
Okay.
I really don't like it.
Okay.
The music's calm in it.
I think
but,
we explored most of the maps. What do you think? That is.
I'm gonna keep exploring. He is more than likely going to be ending his video. What I'm guessing.
Beach.
I'm going to be going to the club, and I'm going to be exploring this for you guys. For those of you that don't have the donator pack.
I think this was
That was the best song.
What is this?
No, this is the way you get into this. The VIP donator. The second song's better because this one's extremely loud.
Well, I think we made.
Yeah, I'm still here.
I think we made some fun here.
This is the best music.
This was epic.
I wish I knew where the mining place was.
And
'cause if
I
knew,
think
I would
I'm
definitely
gonna
head
give.
before you guys.
I think that's the word. Well, I'm gonna give this a 6. No, not a 6. An 8.5 out of 10. And I'll give this a
I'm
B.
not done rating mine yet.
A B plus. I'll probably do
Okay, so
more of
you
this.
this as a good thing.
I'll probably do more of this
Maybe
sometime
tomorrow.
later. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been so fun, and I'll think of more rip-offs like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm still exploring, so he's the only one.
Okay, we're gonna just
Bye.
bye.